स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयम् अष्टमकक्षायाः सप्तभगिन्यः इति पाठं पठन्तः स्मः। अस्माभिः ज्ञातं भारतदेशे विद्यमानेषु सप्तराज्यानां समवायः सप्तभगिन्यः इति कथ्यते। तेषु सप्तराज्येषु विभिन्ना संस्कृतिः अस्ति, विशिष्टा संस्कृतिः अस्ति। तया संस्कृत्या आधारेण सामाजिक आधारेण च वयम् एतेषां सप्तराज्यानां समूहं सप्तभगिन्यः इति कथयामः। एतेषां सप्तराज्यानां नामस्मरणार्थम् एकः उत्तमः श्लोकः अस्माभिः अधीतः। अद्वयम् अत्रयञ्चैव न त्रियुक्तं तथाद्वयम्। अद्वयम् अवर्णात्, अवर्णात् द्वयं केते अरुणाचलप्रदेशः अस्सामः, अरुणाचलप्रदेशः अस्सामः इति अद्वयम् अस्माभिः ज्ञातं। मत्त्रयं मणिपुरं मिजोरां मेघालयः इति मत्त्रयं मकारात् आरभ्यमाणं त्रयं राज्यं, त्रीणि राज्यानि अस्माभिः ज्ञातं। तथैव न त्रि नागालैंड त्रिपुरा इति ज्ञातम्। एतस्य सप्तभगिन्यः इति शब्दस्य प्रयोगः सर्वप्रथमं कथा कृतः इत्युक्ते विगतशताब्दस्य 2070तमे वर्षे त्रिपुराराज्यस्य उद्घाटनक्रमे अस्माभिः कृतम् इति ज्ञातम्। अद्य तत् अग्रे पठिष्यामः। So my dear boys, still today we have come to know that there is a special group of 7 states which are called as a Saptabhaginyah, 7 sisters. Why they are called 7 sisters? Because their social and cultural culture is almost same. They have the same social and cultural life. So that's why they are called 7 sisters. Then how to remember these 7 states? They are very different. How to remember them? There is a simple shloka. If you remember, Advayam, from A 2 states are there. Mattrayam, from Ma 3 states are there. Na and 3. Advayam matrayanche na tri yuktam tatadvayam. So like this easily you can remember. What is that Advayam? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Matrayam, Manipura, Mizoram, Meghalaya. Na, Nagaland, Tripura. It is so easy to remember like this. Then when this word 7 sisters is coined, when it was coined in the previous century of 72nd year, that is 1972, when the Tripura was framed. During that time, this word 7 sister is coined by somebody. So we will study further. Adhyapika Nunam asti eva parvata vriksha pushpa prabhrutibhihi प्राकृतिक संपद्भिः समृद्धानि सन्ति इमानि राज्यानि। भारत वृक्षे च पुष्पस्तबक सदृशानि विराजन्ते एतानि भवति एतानि। अध्यापिका वदति नूनम् अस्ति एव. So he is asking, is there anything special to know? Then teacher is explaining. Noonam asti eva. Definitely there is something special to know about these 7 sisters. Parvata, Vriksha, Pushpa, Prabhrutibhihi, Prakritika Sampadbhihi, Samruddhani Santi Imani Rajyani. Mountains, Parvata, Vriksha, trees, Pushpa, flowers, Tabaka, birds. Prakritika Sampadbhihi, natural resources. These states are very much enriched with the natural resources. Bharata Vrikshe na Pushpastabaka Sadrushani Virajante Etani. Bharata Vrikshe cha पुष्पस्तबक सदृशानि विराजन्ते एतानि. If you imagine entire India as a tree, if you imagine the India as a tree, the flowers and buds are these seven sisters. They look like flowers and buds. They are very beautiful. Naturally, they are the most beautiful part. Rajivaha bhavati गृहे यथा सर्वाधिका रम्या मनोरमा च भगिनी भवति तथैव भारतगृहेपि सर्वाधिकाः रम्याः इमाः सप्त भगिन्यः सन्ति. What a beautiful Rajiv is telling. Bhavati, my dear teacher, गृहे यथा सर्वाधिका रम्या मनोरमा च भगिनी भवति. In the house, so who is given very pretty and very attractive, very active, and who is respected in the house? Whereas the sister in the house brings the activeness to the house. Is it not? Even the boys are there, but when girl is there, that house activeness is very different. Everybody like their sister very much. If you have sisters, you will understand how sister is very important. Is it not? So like this, in the house, as sister is very important, Manorama, very beautiful, makes the house beautiful. As sister makes the house beautiful, and everybody gives so much love and affection towards the sister. Tathaiva, like that, Bharata Gruhepi Sarvadhikaha Ramyaha Imaha Sapta Bhaginyaha Santi. So, in the house of India, these seven sisters are very important, very active. So, I hope that's why the name Seven Sisters is given. Adhyapika. Manasyagata iyam bhavana parama kalyanamayi. The thoughts which you are getting really very good, high level thoughts, very mature. Parama kalyanamayi. It makes everybody happy. Param sarvena tatha avagachanti. But everybody do not understand like that. Astu. Astitavadeetesham vishaye kinchit vaishishtyamapi kathaniyam. Yes, there is something special to be told about these seven sisters. Savahita manasa shrunata. Please keep quiet and listen what is the speciality of these seven sisters. Listen very carefully. This paragraph is very, very important. In the exam, same paragraph may be asked to write them. Depending upon this, the questions may come, because this is the very important gist of the lesson. Shrunuta savahita manasa. Listen carefully. Janajati bahula pradeshoyam. Janajatihi means tribes. Many tribes are there in this land. In these seven sisters, there are plenty of tribes are there. They are Garo. The tribes are Garo, Khasi, Naga, Mijo, Prabhrutayaha, Bahavaha Janajatiyaha Atra Nivasanti. Many tribes like Garo, Khasi, Naga and Mijo are living in these seven sisters. Sharirena Urjasvinaha. They are physically very strong. Urja means Shakti. They are very strong people. Etat pradeshikaha. You may see they look very short, but they are the very strong people. Very strong people. Bahu bhasha bihi samanvitaha. The people of Northeast, they know many languages. Understood? It is a skill which needs to learn the many languages. That's why these people know many languages. Parva parampara bihi paripuritaha. This land is full of festival. Parva means festival. and traditions are very much. Swalila kalabhishcha nishnataha santi. They are known for their art. Very artistic people. Northeast people are very artistic people and they are very much skilled. Everybody is skilled asti. Malati. Then Malati is asking, Mahodaye tatra tu vamshavrukshaha api prapyante. My dear teacher, we heard there Vamshavrukshaha. Vamshavruksha means what? Vamshi Krishnaha. Have you heard? Vamshi Krishna means one who is having the flute. Vamshi means flute. Flute is made of bamboo. Fruit is made of bamboo. That's why Vamshavrukshaha means bamboo. Bamboo is very famous. Then Adhyapika. Pradeshesmin hastashilpanam bahulyam vartate. Avastrabhushanebhyaha gruha nirmana paryantam prayaha vamshavruksha nirmitanam vastunam upayogaha kriyate. Yatohi atra vamshavrukshanam prachuryam vidyate. Sampratam vamshodyogoyam antarashtriya khyatim avaptosti. Pradeshe asmin hastashilpanam bahulyam vartate. Yes, in this land, handcraft, hastashilpanam means handcraft, bahulyam vartate. Plenty of handcraft you can see in this place. Avastrabhushanebhyaha, from cloth onwards, all the decoratives, all the house decoratives, gruha nirmana paryantam, even up to construction of the home, prayaha vramshavruksha nirmitanam vastunam upayogaha kriyate. They use this bamboo to make all the decorations in the house, even to make the clothes, at the same time even to build the home, they use this bamboo. Yatohi atra vamshavrukshanam prachuryam vidyate. So plenty of bamboo you can get in these 7 states. Sampratam vamshodyogoyam antarashtriya khyatim avaptosti. At present, this bamboo artist, handicraft is internationally known. It is very famous internationally. Abhinavaha. Bhagini pradeshoyam bahvakarshakaha iti pratiyate. I feel this 7th sister is very beautiful, bahu akarshakaha, very attractive. Salimaha. Kim Brahmanaya Bhagini Pradeshoyam Samichinaha. Is it good to roam around these 7 sisters? Sarve Chatraha Uchchehi Mahodaye Agamini Avakashe Vayam Tatraiva Gantum Ichchamaha. All students inspired by this 7 sister lesson, they are telling that, my dear teacher, next vacations we all will go to the Northeast. Swara Bhavatyapi Asmabhihi Sardham Chalatu. Swara is telling to the teacher, my dear teacher, you also come along with us. Adhyapika Rochate me ayam vicharaha. I also like this thought which you are getting. Etani rajyani tu brahmanartham swarga sadrushani iti. So it is just like a heaven to go and see there. For the tourists, Northeast is like a heaven. So like this, these 7 sisters are very much famous for their bamboo, that too handicraft. So in the future, many of you will become the officers and your posting will be in Northeast. So you can come back and tell us the better incidents that you come across in your life. So like this, wishing you all the best. So if possible, most of you must go and see what it is really the beauty of the nature. Nature is very beautiful. When you roam, then only you will understand the beauty of the nature very well. Wishing you all the best. Once again we will read the today's नूनम अस्ति एव अध्यापिका नूनम अस्ति एव पर्वत वृक्ष पुष्प प्रभृतिभिः प्राकृतिक संपद्भिः समृद्धानि सन्ति इमानि राज्यानि भारतवृक्षे च पुष्पस्तवकसदृशानि विराजन्ते एतानि. So in the next class I will explain you about the grammar parts of this same lesson. So yesterday and today's lessons and entire complete lessons grammar points we will cover in the next class. Bhavatu shubhadinam, bhavatu anudinam. Dhanyavadah.